This is the start of module number 7, learning as a social process. We try to explore some concepts from the domain of social psychology and apply them in the context of education. That's the basic thing we want to do. Studying some concepts and then finding their significance and their meaning in the educational context. And as a last step, we also discuss some policy issues, which is new in this course. These policy issues have to do with the issue of diversity, cultural diversity in higher education. I've been an educational policy advisor at the Vrije Universiteit Amsterdam, VU University Amsterdam. And this university, together with the Erasmus University in Rotterdam, has a high input of cultural diverse students, about 30%. And therefore, at the Vrije Universiteit, we have done a lot studying and analyzing and advising on the issue of cultural diversity in higher education. Therefore, I thought it might be interesting to dig into this matter a little bit. Okay, just look at the objectives. So I said basic principles. They are derived from the theories of Bandura, Vygotsky, and Bakhtin. We try to implement them just as a matter of further exploration in the concept of cognitive apprenticeship. And then we focus on let's say, concrete educational contexts explored by Palingsar and Brown, reciprocal teaching, and the scaffolding concept as explored and studied in detail by Janneke van der Pol. We use her model to try to understand what scaffolding in education means. The third unit focuses on the group, the students as a group. So we discuss group dynamics issues, cooperative learning, and peer feedback and assessment in the group of students. So we take a step further. Let's say the teacher, of course, is still present, but we take the perspective of the group in order to understand better how learning as a social process goes along. And then, as I already announced, the last step is about the policy issue of cultural diversity in higher education. So I hope you will enjoy this module and it may help you to further study issues which may be relevant for your own research.